Welcome to our channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks.
By using Google Shopping with Shopify. In the ever-expanding world of e-commerce, having a strong online presence is crucial for businesses to succeed. Shopify, a popular e-commerce platform, provides entrepreneurs with the tools they need to create and manage their online stores. One effective way to drive more traffic and increase sales is by utilizing Google Shopping. In this video, we will explore the integration between Shopify and Google Shopping, highlighting the benefits, setup process, and best practices to help you make the most of this powerful combination. Understanding Google Shopping. Google Shopping is a service provided by Google that allows users to search, compare, and purchase products directly from the search engine results page. It displays product information, images, prices, and seller details in a visually appealing and convenient format. With Google Shopping, your products can reach a broader audience, drive qualified traffic, and ultimately boost sales. Benefits of using Google Shopping with Shopify. Increased visibility. By listing your products on Google Shopping, you can reach potential customers who are actively searching for products like yours. This increased visibility can drive targeted traffic to your Shopify store and increase the likelihood of making a sale. Qualified leads. Google Shopping ads display product images, prices, and other relevant details, allowing users to evaluate products before clicking through. This means that when users land on your Shopify store from Google Shopping, they are more likely to be interested in making a purchase, leading to higher conversion rates. Seamless integration. Shopify provides a simple and straightforward integration with Google Shopping, making it easy to sync your product catalog and manage your ads directly from your Shopify dashboard. This integration saves time and streamlines the process of advertising your products on Google Shopping. Setting up Google Shopping with Shopify. Create a Google Merchant Center account. Start by creating a Google Merchant Center account, which acts as a central hub for managing your product data and feeds. Link your Google Merchant Center account to your Shopify store. Sync your product catalog. Use the Shopify integration with Google Shopping to automatically sync your product catalog, including product titles, descriptions, prices, and images, to the Google Merchant Center. Ensure that your product data meets Google's requirements and guidelines for optimal visibility. Verify and claim your website. Verify ownership of your website in the Google Merchant Center and claim it as your own. This step is necessary to ensure that your product listings are associated with your Shopify store. Set up product feeds. Configure product feeds in the Google Merchant Center to specify which products you want to advertise on Google Shopping. Customize the attributes such as product type, availability, and shipping details to provide accurate and up-to-date information to potential customers. Create Google Shopping campaigns. Utilize Google Ads to create and manage your Google Shopping campaigns. Define your target audience, set bidding strategies, and allocate budgets to optimize your ad performance. Monitor and analyze the results to make data-driven decisions for further optimization. Best practices for success. High-quality product images. Use high-resolution images that accurately represent your products. Clear, professional, and visually appealing images can significantly impact click-through rates and conversion rates. Accurate product information. Ensure that your product titles, descriptions, prices, and other attributes are accurate, descriptive, and relevant. Avoid misleading information or exaggerated claims to maintain trust with potential customers. Competitive pricing and promotions. Research your competitors' pricing and offer competitive prices or exclusive promotions to attract customers. Use Google Shopping's promotional features, such as discounts or free shipping, to make your products stand out. Optimization and monitoring. Regularly monitor the performance of your Google Shopping campaigns. Analyze key metrics, such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and return on ad spend ROAS, to identify areas for improvement. Continuously optimize your campaigns by adjusting bids, refining targeting, and testing different ad variations. Customer reviews and ratings. Encourage customers to leave reviews and ratings for your products. Integrating Shopify with Google Shopping offers tremendous opportunities for e-commerce businesses to expand their reach and increase sales. By leveraging the benefits of Google Shopping and following best practices, you can drive targeted traffic to your Shopify store, engage potential customers, and ultimately boost your bottom line. Take advantage of this powerful combination and unlock the full potential of your online business. Shopify and Google can work together in various ways to help businesses succeed in the digital space. Shopify allows merchants to sync their product catalog with Google Merchant Center and create Google Shopping campaigns. Google reCAPTCHA. To protect your Shopify store from spam and abuse, you can enable Google reCAPTCHA. This feature helps verify that your website visitors are human and not bots, thereby enhancing security and user experience. Google Ads. With Shopify, you can set up Google Ads campaigns to promote your online store. By leveraging Google Ads, you can create targeted advertising campaigns that appear in Google's search results, display network, YouTube, and other Google platforms. This allows you to reach potential customers who are actively searching for products or services related to your business. Shopify allows you to easily verify and connect your website with Google Search Console. This tool helps you monitor and maintain your site's presence in Google search results. It provides valuable data about your site's performance in search, any errors that need fixing, and insights into how users find and interact with your website. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite. Shopify also integrates with Google Workspace, allowing you to use custom email addresses with your domain name, for example, yournameatyourstore.com. It facilitates professional communication with customers and partners using Google's suite of productivity tools like Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, etc. These are some of the main ways in which Shopify and Google can collaborate to enhance your online business presence, streamline operations, and drive more traffic and sales to your Shopify store. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.